Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to get FiveM on PC. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to any web browser. This time I'm using my Google web browser. So what you're going to do here is to simply type FiveM GTA 5. So you just have to tap this one here, the first one, and then this is what it looks like, and you just have to click this download client here. So once you tap this, something will pop up here or will notify here that you are starting to download this file. You just have to firstly read their terms and services, and once you're okay with that, then click sure, I agree, tap this one. So you must read this one first, okay? And then tap sure, I agree. Now, once you're done with this, then you have to wait as it is processing. You see, you're awesome. Thank you. So that means you just have to go to download folder. Okay, tap this one. And then kindly open this, or you can also click run as administrator. So once you click OK or run as administrator, you can see here verifying content, and you just have to wait for that.
And then
Once done, you will see this. Go to your game directory and select GTA 5 to be able to launch FiveM. So you have to go to Epic Games. Okay, look for Epic Games. And then you just have to look for GTA 5 folder. And then once you have found that file, you just have to click that and then click run as administrator. Then once done, you should see this starting FiveM. And then you just have to wait for that. I think it takes minutes. Then after that done, you have now your FiveM on your PC. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.